In this video, I want to explain how to remap rooms in Channex when there are problems. So if we go into Properties and Mapping, select our property, go into Rate Plans, or Room Types and Rate Plans. Here we had a problem with the first three rooms, so I already fixed number one, but number two still has the same problem. So when we select the rate plan for this room and try to save, we get a bunch of errors. So in order to fix all of these errors, we have to remove all of the mappings, both in ReservationKey and in Channex, and then relink the rate plan and then remap the rooms. So it's a couple of steps here. So the first step is to go to the bottom of this mapping section here and unmap. Click the link that says unmap rate plans. That removes all the rate plans from ReservationKey database. Next step is to go into the rooms, which is on the Channex side, and we will remove the rate plans from the Channex side. So we'll look for our room number 2 there, and we can click the little plus to expand it. And under Actions, click Remove on all of these rate plans. And we're going to have to unmap everything and start over, so it's a little bit of a process. Unmap and remove on all 4 of them. And then once we've done this, we will go back. So now we've unmapped and removed everything on garden room number 2. So now we go back into the room types and rate plans settings. Select our room number 2, link it to the rate plan, and we'll click save, and now there won't be any errors because we've started fresh on this one. Now the last thing is to go back into the channels section and remap this. So expand channels, and we have 3 different channels that we need to go through here. And so on all 3 of these, we need to edit under the Actions menu, click Mapping, and then look down and find the ones that are unmapped. So I already did number 1. So I'm going to select all of room number 1 and room number 2. And we still need to do room number 3, but I will come back in and do that once we finish this video. So booking.com, click Actions, click Edit, Mappings, or Mapping. Look for the ones that aren't mapped. So here we are, Chinook 1. And we're going to just select one of the rate plans. And also for Garden Room, which is our room number 2, select one of the rate plans. Usually I just select the 2-person rate plan on those. And finally, we have Expedia to do the same thing on. Under Actions, click Edit, click Mapping, and we'll see there's 2 rooms here that aren't mapped. Garden 1, or Chinook 1, and Garden Room number 2. So I'm going to map those and click Save. And now we should be all back up and running. If we go back into our inventory section and expand that, we can see our calendar and exactly the rates that are set up for all of our rooms. And there you go. You can see room 1 and 2 have rates and they looks correct. So that's the complete process of unmapping on both our side and the Channex side, and then remapping the rate plans and remapping the rooms in each of the channels that you're using.